Hello class, welcome back to this question. Here it says, find the quadratic equation whose roots are negative 3 over 4 and positive 4 over 3. Okay, so we have two ways of finding the quadratic equation that give us the root here. So the root here means on the graph, this is the graph, y-axis, x-axis. So quadratic equation must be of this form, okay? Where this curve cuts the x-axis is known as the solution of the quadratic equation, right? Being the roots. Could be like this, the quadratic equation, it could be like this, okay? So this key place is the root of the equation. Now we have been given the root of the equation. How then do we form a quadratic equation out of it? So solution to that. So we have two ways of solving that, all right? The number one way is, let's have s equals to one of the roots, 3 over 4, and s equals to 4 over 3. Okay, we can now multiply the two together, but before we multiply, we can transpose. This is x, this is negative becomes positive equals to 0, and x, this is positive coming in becomes negative over 3 equals to 0. So we can now multiply the two factors. Okay, this can be x plus 3 over 4 times x minus 4 over 3 all equals to 0. So we can multiply out. 3x times s will give us s squared, while x times negative 4 over 3 will give us minus 4 over 3x. Then this 3 over 4 times s will still give us positive 3 over 4x. Then plus 3 over 4 times negative 4 over 3 will give us minus 1. Okay? This is equals to 0. So we can collect like terms. Here we have s, here we have s. This is constant, this is order of 2. So this and this are the same. Now before we collect like terms, if we check this is this is a fraction, this is a fraction, so we must look for the LCM of the two. So doing that, we can bypass the method by finding the LCM of this whole thing, and the LCM here should be 12. So we then use 12 to multiply each of these terms. So 12 to multiply the first term, s squared, minus 12 to multiply the second term, 4 over 3x, plus 12 to multiply 3 over 4x, and then minus 12 to multiply 1. Also, 12 should multiply the last thing here is 0. So 12 times s squared will give us 12s squared minus 12 times this will give us, this is 4 times 4, 16x plus 4 here is 3. 3 times 3 will be 9x minus 12 times 1 is 12, and the 12 times 0 is 0. Then we can easily collect like terms like this because we have cleared the fraction. So here is 12x squared minus 16 plus 9 will give us negative 7x minus 12 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Okay, let's compare it to what we have in the options. In the options, we have this is 12, this is 12, we have this. This corresponds to what we have. But why is this wrong? When it comes to graph, we have x-axis and y-axis, but here they have m. So m is not a popular axis, so x should go instead of m. So I thought this is m, y my is x, so x should be the appropriate axis to use. Thank you for watching.